Hey there you guys, it is me, Random Josh, and I am back again with another Face Mask Friday video. My throat feels like it keeps going every so often. I don't know why, but it just has its days, I guess. So today we're actually reviewing the GlamGlow Bubble Sheet. So I thought I'd do this now because I know I just did the Sanctuary Spa bubble mask, and I thought what perfect way to compare them both, just to feel how both of them feel. And yeah, so it sounds like this one actually is only a 3-minute mask, which is super quick, which is actually pretty cool. So yeah, it just says to unfold the mask, dampen your face, place onto the face, aligning with the eyes, nose and mouth area, smooth all around the face, and then the bubbles will start to form within about 60 seconds, and then you just remove it after about 3 minutes and gently massage in the remaining bubbles, cleansing bubbles, and then rinse off with just some water. So I'm actually gonna go and just get my face prepared and just try and open up the pores a little bit, and then we're gonna get this mask on. I'm super excited, so be back in a second. Okay, so I have left it a little bit damp. It's not too damp, but you know, I'm literally trying to work so quick because I'm like, natural lighting is going, so I don't want to use my overhead light. Anyway, let's break this bad boy open. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that smells so fresh. Damn it. So slimy, I love it. Okay. Right. Well, boy, where are you? That's one bit. And I've got it upside down. Let's go. Oh, it's getting stuck. Okay. So, we have our mask pretty much unfolded. So hopefully that's fine. So yeah, we're gonna pop this on now. So, okay, yeah. This eye for some reason looks really odd, but yeah, the mask is now on. It covers pretty much all of the face, pretty much. There are a few little bits and pieces. I don't know whether I can just kind of peel this up. But yeah, all I can say right now is it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know what it is in this that smells so good, but like it just smells very kind of a little bit fruity and a little bit just something nice. I don't even know if this is properly in focus, but yeah, you can see it's slowly starting to foam up already. But yeah, so we're gonna leave this now for the 3 minutes and I'll be back soon. Okay you guys, so you can see right now I kind of look like a like a rabbit, because it's very foamy, as you can see, you can literally just straight up, you know, it's fun. So I'm gonna peel this bad boy off now. Ooh. And so we're going to massage all of this in. So yeah, I look a little bit crazy right now, but I must say that lathered up a lot more than the Sanctuary Spa one that we did last week. Like, that is quite incredible. So I already have high hopes for the finished feel. So I'm going to probably rinse this off now, and then we're gonna have a feel of the new skin. So yeah, stay tuned, I'll be back for that. Okay, so I just finished washing that off. Like, my face just looks like it's got that kind of healthy glow to it. You can see on my cheeks there. And definitely, oh my goodness, my skin just feels so soft. Even my like beard hair feels really kind of like so yeah, I definitely rate that. Like, my nose feels so cleansed, even like around the little difficult spots that often get missed. Literally, it just all feels amazing. And that was super quick. Like, literally, you don't need to massage it in a load to get a huge lather and to get a really good deep cleanse. Like, a lot of the time you'd imagine that you'd need to get a really hard, solid massaging technique to actually get like a good deep cleanse to your face, but that didn't take much effort at all, and I love that. Especially, so that's like perfect for when you really do not have much time and you want to spend as little time as possible getting your face prepared. That is honestly blown my mind. That was amazing. So definitely, obviously it is a little bit higher up on the price scale, so that was actually £7 for that one sheet, which for some people that might scare you a little bit, but you know what, it is worth the £7 because you don't need to do it loads. You just, apparently on the packet it says about doing it once a week, if that, you know. You can do other things during the rest of the month and just do it once a month. But I definitely recommend giving that a go, and if you really do enjoy it, then get it into your beauty regime, because honestly my skin feels so clean. Oh my god, I'm so blessed. So definitely get at GlamGlow on Twitter, Instagram, all of the grams and Twitters and blahs. And yeah, because they have a new glitter mask out, which I'm hoping I should try and get at some point soon, but I have not yet purchased, but I am planning on it. And yeah, just keep going with the GlamGlow, because that's my first ever GlamGlow product and that was amazing. So I have high hopes for the rest of their products. But anyway, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.